I honestly didn't think that I would finish biking across Ohio. And this was only the beginning.
Was the beginning of the war. Warrant in order to detain an illegal immigrant. In that statement, you see what happens at the bus stop. She vetoed the skilled gaming legislation. She also supported the AG nominee. Remember at the time, Jay Jones, when he said something about
that we build safety in from the start.
We're at the Kokosing trailhead or whatever, and like all these water fountain things, man, they never turn them on, dude. It's like mid-April almost and they're still not on. Really unfortunate, but it is what it is. I feel a lot better today after being ill for like 2 days, so we're gonna try to bang out some miles this morning, probably like 30.
To peace with, there is always more to do. Chisel it, calm is your gift to yourself and all around. Regulated.
Thank you.
Life's a work of
Have a good one, man.
Romanticize it. Live your best life.
Just met another awesome human being. I was rolling up to this water fountain. This is the beginning of the Mohican Valley Trail, which is kind of hilly, by the way. Anyway, and there's horses allowed. And there's a church right off the edge of it too. Fucking water fountain was dry as fuck as always. And this guy that was cutting this grass at this church, he sees me trying to fill up the water, notices that it doesn't work. And I get why they have it shut down, but it still sucks for people like me. The guy comes up to me and gives me a fucking cold ass bottle of water. I'm like, bro, good looks, what's your name, bro? He's like, my name's Jimmy. I was like, my name's Adam, thanks, bro. I love people, man.
Romanticize it. Live your best life. Simply enjoy keep on shaping till it feels right.
This town is dead, bruh.
Keep on
Ain't nobody out. After a grueling journey on some back roads, we finally made it to Kilbuck. Cool little town. I finally made it to Kilbuck. I think it's called Kilbuck. Yeah, Kilbuck. The sign's right behind me. There's no service out here, so I'm not really tripping about it. But I found a really good spot. I'm gonna sit here in this shade for a while and just chill, because they can't say shit to me anyway. There's a porta shitter over there. And beyond this fence over here, there's like this fucking building that's been abandoned. I'm gonna probably camp there tonight. Doubt I'll probably get caught. Doubt I'll even get in trouble for it. And I'm sure people have done it before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We did 36 miles today, so yeah, pretty proud of it. So yeah, don't want to push it too far, you know what I mean? Just chill afterwards. So yeah, I didn't even actually intend to go this far. I was going to be in, what was that town? Glenmont. I ain't fucking shit there. It's all just Mennonites, you know what I mean? I'm not hating on them, by the way. It's just like, it's just one of those things where they ain't got shit for you, bro. And I shouldn't even be saying that like that either. It's not a good, you know what I mean? That's not what I mean. So before anybody says, oh my God, you're terrible, I mean, like, as far as like, I wanted to stop there for water. There's no store there, you know what I mean? There's just nothing there. People just live there. So I mean, I'm not, like I said, it's not a hate thing. It's just like, when it comes to finding resources for your bike tour, that town is just really, yeah. I think there is a camp spot there. Apparently somebody left on that route that I have on my Ride with GPS route for the OTET. There's like a campsite there, but I didn't even bother. So yeah, I mean, it's like I said, I imagine it's a pretty decent town, but it's not really all that. Kilbuck is pretty decent. They got, you know, a couple of gas stations, businesses, and like I said, this trail is called Holmes County Trail. So yeah, if you're looking for a good self-camp spot, as soon as you get into the first part of the trail here in Kilbuck, because you do have to go through Kilbuck, the actual town, and ride through the roads and shit for a couple minutes. Then you get to the trailhead. Pretty chill spot. Last minute decision. We're going to go to Millersburg and get a hotel at the Comfort Inn and relax tonight before we go through Amish country tomorrow. Because tomorrow will be a little rough, but we'll get through it. We always do. God, these bumps are terrible. But yeah, let's go. So I was gonna camp, but I ended up in Millersburg, so I was like, hey, why not get a hotel? I got plenty of money. So here we are in this Comfort Inn. It's actually nice. I already took a shower. About to bath some Subway. And we're watching the news and vibing, baby. Tomorrow we go through Amish country.
Saturday's game can only be streamed on Prime Video.
Let the hill climbing begin, bitches. Yeah, Danny. I shouldn't be excited for this. This is a beautiful spot area, but it's so fucking hilly. Yeah, this hill is fucking disgusting by itself. We're at the beginning of Amish country. It starts now. 17 miles, man. Let's get it. As I am leaving Apple Creek, Ohio, I ran into Mr. Big Chris. And he wants to ride with me to Dalton. He hooked me up with a freaking GoPro Hero 10 because I lost mine. What a legend. Like, this is actually insane. But we're gonna ride together. He's got an e-bike though, so he might blow me out, but
no, I'm
it's
not
all
blowing
good.
you out. I'm here. I'm gonna film you. Right.
Well, then you're gonna have an easy day then. So yeah, dude, we're about to head out. So usually when I get on top of a hill, I stop for 3 minutes, eat some food real fast, and drink water. Because God, that shit it destroys a lot of energy. We are finally like 2 miles away from Dalton, Ohio. After a long journey through Amish country, we're finally fucking done almost. I've been riding with Mr. Big Mike for about a couple miles, like 10 miles, man. Guy's cool, man. He's been filming me the whole time in different angles. He's got like 3 different cameras, bro. And the guy gave me a freaking GoPro Hero 10. Guy's a legend. We made it to Dalton. Hell yeah.
So, and my son's name is Haslam, so I was going by HX2, Haslam times 2. But when I would say that to people, they just look at me like a deer. They just hit a deer.
What does that mean?
Yeah, that's right. So I was at work one day driving around, and I just like, I got to change my name. You know, I got to change my name. And I thought about it for a couple of days, and I'm like, oh, Mr. Beast. You know, I'll be Mr. Big Chris. You know that's got to be taken. Come on, that's got to be, because it's so common. I looked it up on YouTube and it wasn't taken. Then I went to GoDaddy, and MrBigChris.com wasn't taken either. I own that.
Damn, nice.
Yeah.
Got lucky.
Yeah, so I'm going to sell that for like $1 billion one of these days.
I didn't get lucky on this. We're finally at our campsite for tonight in Dalton, Ohio. So future reference for anybody who like stealth camps like me. When you get through Amish country, you're going to probably be tired, wanting someplace to camp. The trail, it's called Ciprico, I guess. It curves around this way, but it dead ends here, right? Most people who ride on this trail don't even pay a single attention at this spot at all. I've seen it. I will sit here and watch people when I've been here twice. I've camped here twice. And every time I'll see people just fly through and they won't even look this direction. It's insane. It's actually mind-blowing that people's situational awareness is actually fucking horrible, because I'm sitting there watching these people just blow me off completely and not even realize I'm down here. But anyway, I'm gonna set up my tent like over there where that grass area is tonight when it gets dark. This place will be shut down at night, but yeah, man, it's just the spot. But I just want to personally thank Mr. Big Chris on YouTube, man. You guys gotta look him up. He's a good guy. He found me in Apple Creek, and when I was rolling through Amish country, man, that was like midpoint through Amish country is Apple Creek. And he gave me a fucking GoPro Hero 10 because I lost mine when I went to Tennessee to go visit my friend Steve on the bus, the Greyhound bus. I lost it. He gave me this. Then he gave me a drone, dude. I mean, he hooked me, like when we got to this Mexican restaurant to eat, he just gave me the drone. I was like, what the hell are you doing? Like, this is insane, bro. Like, you're giving me a drone? And man, the guy's amazing. Human beings are amazing. And this is why I'm out here, just to meet epic human beings, not to get free shit, but just to meet cool people. It was just fun to ride with him, know his story. He's got a son named Stuart. It's interesting because he even went in the backstory about why he named his son Stuart, and he's planning this ride on June 20th to ride from Cumberland, Maryland to Pittsburgh, which is basically the Great Allegheny Passage. He wants us to do this shit in one day. Good morning. I just saw my first wild beaver, and that thing was a fucking beast. It jumped in the water, obviously, but it was so big. I only got the tail end of it on the picture. Anyway, we're 9.5 miles away from Edgewater Park, so we're almost there, baby. Why does every single major city I come to have like God hills? Like, this is ridiculous, bro. You probably can't tell, but this is ridiculously steep. It's fucking insane. It's foggy as fuck outside, bro. We're almost there. We're like literally a couple minutes away. Hell yeah. Alright guys, we officially have made it to Edgewater Park. Like I said, the fog is finally gone. It's 12 p.m. and I'm editing this video right now. Anyway guys, it was a hell of a journey just getting to, from Cincinnati to Cleveland. It was about, what, a week and some change, just because I got stomach sickness and all this good stuff. And, sorry it wasn't as cinematic, but I am cold right now. It's like 40 something degrees and the wind is just blowing into this building. I'm just like, bro, I can't wait. I can't get to my hotel until 4 p.m. But anyway, that's it guys. Next time you'll see me, I'll be in Buffalo, New York, guys. Much love.